Hey everybody. So I want to really quickly examine this concept of what reality is. And reality is that opportunity is not something that comes knocking on your door. That's just not the truth. In my little life experience, I'm not that old, but I do have a little bit of life experience. And I'll tell you, I've had to literally go out into the universe and to use visualization, to use anything that I could to pull any opportunities from this world towards me. Now, does that make sense to you? Because if it does, then you understand you've got to get off your ass. You're looking for a job in Israel, and there's no way anybody's going to ever come sort of knocking on your door, that's for sure, to offer you a job. So you've got to get out into the world. Now, taking advantage of the opportunities is what I want to challenge you to do. And going a level further, what I want to challenge you to do is to even grab the opportunities, to see the opportunity which is perpetually in front of you. Because if you don't see that, if you think you're a victim of lacking of opportunities based on your skills, which is something I hear quite often, then I want to tell you, you're living in a delusional world. It's not that there's a lack of opportunities in your environment. It's your visualization, your ability to see correctly your environment, which has always been nothing but one huge opportunity. That's what life is. So get up off your tush tush and get out there and go get it. Take care.